Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much. Today I'm going to show you how to plant strawberries in containers. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, I have a 5-gallon pot and I've got Miracle-Gro potting soil. Here's my potting soil, guys. Miracle-Gro. And then made a little hole here in this 5-gallon pot. And for today's planting, I'm going to have some seascape strawberries. Right, they cost me about $2.99 here in Hawaii. And a couple things I want to let you guys know is you should fill up your pot. Right now the potting soil is dry, and I do have water on standby. In this water, I mix this Miracle-Gro plant food. A little tip for you: this is what I'm using, Miracle tomato plant food. So this thing on the back, it says to mix 1.5 teaspoons with 1.5 gallons of water. So let me show you guys here. Check this out. It's got this teaspoon. That's what I used, guys. And inside the fertilizer looks pink. All right, let's put this back here. And so make a little hole there. Grab your strawberry. Then I just tilt it down so I'm using one hand. All right, let's take that down. Now, one thing you want to make sure on this is a couple things here, guys, is try not to break the roots up. I know some of the soil from there just fell down, but don't break the roots up. And then if you see right in here, see this area, make sure that this is not under the soil when you're planting it, or else this thing will dry rot out, or sorry, this thing will get moist, and then your strawberry plant will die. Okay, it'll like rot out. So this is all I'm going to do, is place it in the hole, put some soil. I have this little shovel that has a little hole in the middle like this, and I use that to scoop my potting soil. It makes it a lot easier. So I'll just put that down in here. Usually put it to one side, and then I will mix it around. Press this down. And my strawberry is planted. Take a note, guys, look, I didn't disturb this area. I left this up, so you want to make sure this area is up above the soil. So if you cover this, some people like to cover the plants up to here, strawberry will die. All right, so I do have my Miracle-Gro water. I'm going to water this. The strawberry likes full sun, so what I do is I keep this thing in the in my garage right here. Still does get morning sun, but the afternoon sun goes away, and see it's kind of shady right now. I put this in here for about at least 5 days, and then I'll plant it outside. And I want to let you know it's right here. It's a little secret here, guys, is I use this little container in the bottom, and as you can see, it does have water down here. After I water, it'll come out, and I just keep them moist so that the soil doesn't dry out, especially right now while you're planting, or it's hot, it's summer. And so far I'm getting a great result. So I planted this a week ago or 2 weeks ago. Another strawberry container. I want you to see I do have strawberries growing. There's 2 strawberries, but this is only after about 2 weeks of planting, and I got them exactly the same size, and they're flowering already. Now I use the same thing, Miracle-Gro plant food, and I usually get a little fertilizer and slow release fertilizer, and I sprinkle it in here. You can see they're like little balls down here. See, that's my fertilizer I used. This other plant doesn't have any flowers or anything yet, but they're pretty tall. But take a comparison, guys. Let me put them side by side. I want you to see it. This is how I got it 2 weeks ago. This is what it looks like 2 weeks later. What do you guys think? Alright, guys, you guys like that? Support the channel, subscribe, hit a like if you like this video. Let me know what else you want to see. Another thing is your strawberries will come out. They'll have like these little roots that will come out here. You'll just clip them off and plant another plant. And on these 5-gallon containers, I planted 2 strawberries in each container, as you can see. And it likes the space. This one has a flower. It's about to be a strawberry also. Well, that's what I'm doing, guys, and I'm getting good luck with these strawberries. Usually I plant them in my aquaponics garden and they do very well also. But if you guys like that, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. Go check out all my other videos on my channel. Thank you.